Hi kids! Today we will be learning comparing numbers and ordering them. So let's get started. First of all, we will learn the signs of comparison. When two numbers are equal, we use the equal sign like this. 5 equals 5. 2 equals 2. When a number is bigger than the other number, we use greater than sign, like this. 4 is greater than 2. 5 is greater than 3. 9 is greater than 1. Good! And when a number is smaller than the other number, we use less than sign, like this. 3 is less than 6. 1 is less than 9. 5 is less than 20. Good. Now we know the signs of comparison. We will do some questions on comparison now. Here are 2 jars of candies. One jar has 78 candies, and other one has 110 candies. Then, which jar has more number of candies? Let me help you compare the numbers. Here, 78 is a 2-digit number, whereas 110 is a 3-digit number. And the number with more number of digits is always bigger than the number with fewer number of digits. Hence, 110 is bigger than 78. We represent it like this. Good. So, jar with 110 candies has more number of candies. Let's take another example. Perry's house is 200 meters away from school, and Tia's house is 400 meters away from school. Then, whose house is nearer to school? Kids, let me help you compare the numbers. Both the numbers 200 and 400 are 3-digit numbers. So, first compare the numerals at biggest place in the numbers. That is 2 and 4. Here, 4 is greater than 2. Hence, 400 is bigger than 200. We represent it like this. So, Perry's house is nearer to school than Tia's house. Good! Let's take another example. Here are 2 girls, Ria and Katty. Ria is 145 centimeters tall, and Katty is 156 centimeters tall. Then, who is taller? Let me help you compare the numbers. Both the numbers are 3-digit numbers. So, first compare the numerals at hundreds place. Both are same. We represent it like this. Now compare the tens place digits. 4 and 5. 5 is bigger than 4. And the number in which we get the bigger number first is bigger. So, 156 is bigger than 145. So, Caddy is taller than Ria. Now, let's take another example. Here are two boys, Sam and Ron. Sam has 178 marbles, and Ron has 171 marbles. Then, who has more number of marbles? Let me help you compare the numbers. The two numbers are same-digit numbers. So, first compare the digits at hundreds place. Both are same. So now, move to next place. That is the tens place. Again, both digits are same. Now, move to next place. That is ones place. Here, 8 is bigger than 1. So, we got the bigger number first in 178. Hence, 178 is bigger than 171. So Sam has more marbles than Ron. Good! So what have we learned? We have learned when the number of digits are same, then we follow the comparing rule, which is start comparing the digits from the biggest place, and in which every number you get the bigger number first. That number is bigger number. Now go ahead and take a quiz to learn more. Bye-bye!
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!